As Commissioner of the Georgia Department of Early Care and Learning, I welcome you to this year's annual Summer Food Service Program Summit. To those of you who have been with us before, welcome back, and thanks for your willingness to partner with us again in summer 2020. To those of you who are new this year, maybe you're considering participating in the SFSP for the first time, or you're coming back to join us after taking a break. I believe the information you hear today will confirm that your organization should participate in this important program. I regret that I can't be with you in person this morning, but I'm grateful for the opportunity to speak to you by video. Our department helps meet the child care and early education needs of Georgia's children so they can be successful academically, socially, emotionally, and physically. But it is impossible for children to develop successfully if they don't receive the proper nutrition and exercise. Hunger is one of the greatest obstacles to the learning process, but not because of a lack of food. The real issue is a lack of access to food by children in high-needs areas around the state. Thousands of children in Georgia have access to nutritious meals while they're in school. But what happens to them during the months when school is not in session? That's why you're here today. And that's why the Summer Food Service Program exists. DECAL's Nutrition Division works with care facilities, schools, local and county governments, faith-based entities, and nonprofit organizations across the state to ensure Georgia's youngest learners have access to free and nutritious meals when school is out. Last summer, sponsoring organizations like the ones you represent served millions, not thousands, tens of thousands, or hundreds of thousands, but millions of meals and snacks. In 2020, we hope you can serve even more meals and snacks. But DECAL can't do this alone. We need partners, people in giant metro areas, medium-sized cities, small towns, and rural counties who know where the needs are and how to meet them. Lack of nutrition during the summer months can initiate a cycle of poor performance even before the school year begins. Your involvement in the Summer Food Service Program can end that cycle before it starts. In closing, I thank the 84 Summer Food Service Program sponsors who worked hard last summer to serve 4.8 million meals to Georgia's children. I'm so proud of that accomplishment and grateful for your commitment. But there's so much more we can do. Last summer, 70 Georgia counties had no meal sites, but had thousands of children and young people who could have benefited from this program. Together, we can solve this problem. Together, we can feed Georgia's children during a part of the year when they are especially vulnerable. If you're a returning sponsor, thank you for partnering with us again this year. If you're here for the first time, thank you for considering to partner with us and many others around the state to ensure that children have access to healthy meals this summer. Have a great day as you learn from our nutrition services staff and from each other. I believe you'll leave here today with a commitment and passion to serve children in your communities in new and beneficial ways. We look forward to working with you in summer 2020.